Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 marketing ideas for Halloween that you can use for your business to increase your sales during the month of October. Now, before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jamequa Stevens. Let's get right into this video. So again, you know me, I got my notebook. If you see me looking down talking, it's because I'm referencing my notes and I don't want to forget anything important. So these are going to be some quick and easy marketing ideas that you can do whether you're a beginner or you're more advanced in your business. Number 1 is to create a hashtag. Now this is also called a seasonal hashtag. You can reward your customers by telling them to use the hashtag, and when they use the hashtag you can give them a discount. This is a good tactic to use to increase your show up in the Instagram algorithm. If a lot of people are using your hashtag, it could possibly go to the explore page. You're getting your business in front of potential customers. Also, when you write captions on Instagram for the month of October, go ahead and add some cute little emojis. We have the ghost emoji, we have pumpkins, we have the fall leaves. Option number 2, you can create a specific Halloween product. For instance, I know a lot of lip gloss businesses that are changing the colors of their lip gloss. Usually the lip glosses are clear, pink, and for Halloween, you could still use that purple, just add a orange or red in there, a dark mauvey red. With those products, you can change the name of your product to spooky red, or you know, something with spooky or a Halloween word in that lip gloss color. And of course, some of the colors for Halloween are orange, black, green, purple, and red. Now, if you don't want to change the color of your products, you can change the color of your packaging. I know I have pink packaging, but for the month of October, when I get orders, I'm going to send them out in my black packaging. Also, when you're doing your packaging, another creative way to be remembered by your customers is to add candy in there. A lot of people are shipping off orders and they're adding like those cute little corn candies, orange, yellow, and white candies. They also have like Snickers. Some people are chocolate lovers. I am. And your customers will remember that, because who doesn't remember free candy? Who doesn't? Now, my 3rd suggestion is to create Halloween bundles. So give your customers specific discounts because it's the month of October. Get your regular products and put maybe 2 or 3 products in that bundle, and each product is at a discounted rate. You can even give them a discount code that they can use to go with Halloween. This also encourages engagement, because who doesn't want a regular item priced at a discount for a short period of time? So that creates urgency as well. Now, for my tech lovers, number 4 is to change your store's Favicon. Now, if you don't know what a Favicon is, it's that little picture that's in the tab of your web browser. When you go to a website and they have like their logo, of course, you don't want it to change your logo to where your customers don't recognize your business, but maybe change the color of your logo or add bats, pumpkins, what else, little ghosts or something in there that'll let them know, okay, it's Halloween now, but you know, she's still doing business during this time. And you can also change the name of your products on your website. You can even get extra discounts. Come on and shop on my website. So yeah, these are all 4 of my Halloween marketing ideas that you can use for your business to increase your sales. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.